Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very exciting. How to learn English very fast. Yes, fast. Not after 5 years, not after 10 years, but starting from today. Now listen carefully. Many people study English for years, but still feel scared when they speak. Why? Not because they are not smart, but because they are using the wrong method. Too much grammar, waiting for perfect sentences, fear of mistakes, and because of this, they stay stuck. But today, I will show you a simple and smart way, not more study, better learning. So stay till the end because this can change your English completely. Step number 1. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. This is the most important step. Let me show you the problem. When you speak, your brain does this. Number 1. Think in your language. Number 2. Translate into English. Number 3. Try to speak. Result: slow speaking, confusion, no confidence. It's like your brain is doing double work. So, what should you do? Think directly in English. Don't worry, you don't need perfect English. Start small. For example, I am waking up, I am tired, I am eating food. Simple, easy, no pressure. At first, it feels strange. Your brain will say, go back to your language. But don't listen. Practice daily and slowly. Your brain will start thinking in English automatically. And when you think in English, speaking becomes easy. Step number 2. Speak English every day. Now listen carefully. You cannot learn swimming by reading a book. Same way, you cannot learn speaking without speaking. Many people wait. I will speak later. I need more vocabulary. I need perfect grammar. No. Speak first, improve later. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. No partner? No problem. You can speak in front of a mirror, talk to yourself, record your voice. Yes, talk to yourself. It's not crazy, it's practice. Talk about simple things: your day, your food, your plans. Important rule: don't stop again and again to correct yourself. Just speak. Broken English is okay. Silence is not okay. Step number 3. Learn sentences, not just words. Many learners do this. Learn one word, then another, then another. But when speaking, mind goes blank. Why? Because words are not enough. You need sentences. Example: instead of learning hungry, learn I am hungry. Now your brain already knows how to use it. More examples: I am tired. I don't understand. Can you help me? These are ready made sentences. This is smart learning. Also, your brain loves patterns. If you learn, I want to learn English, you can say, I want to sleep, I want to eat, I want to go. See, one sentence is equal to many sentences. Step number 4. Listen to English every day, but properly. Now, this is very important. Many people say, I listen to English, but I don't improve. Why? Because they do passive listening. English is playing, but mind is somewhere else. That doesn't work. You need active listening. That means focus, pay attention, try to understand. Simple method: listen once, listen again, repeat after speaker, listen again. Same audio many times. Yes, repeat. Don't run after new videos every time. Repetition is equal to improvement. Also remember, you don't need to understand everything. Even 60% is okay. Relax. Keep listening. Your brain is learning slowly. Step number 5. Stay consistent. This is the most important step. Let me be honest. Many people stay strong. Then after few days, busy, lazy, no mood, and they stop. That's the problem. English is not built in one day. It is built in small daily actions. Even 15 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day is enough if you do it daily. Remember, small daily practice is more greater than big one day study. Also, you don't need motivation every day. Some days you feel good, some days you don't. Practice anyway. Even 5 minutes is okay. Just don't break the habit. Final message. So now you know the 5 simple steps. Think in English, speak every day, learn sentences, listen actively, stay consistent. But listen carefully. Your life will not change by watching this video. Your life will change when you do these steps daily. Start small, stay regular, and slowly you will see. You speak faster, you feel confident, you stop fearing mistakes, and one day you will say, "Wow, I can speak English." If you want to improve your English in a simple and fun way, make sure to subscribe to this channel because this is not just English. This is your journey to confidence and success. See you in the next video.